Ham Loaf Flambé. Yield 6 servings. 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon prepared mustard, 1/4 cup vinegar, 5 peach halves, drained, 5 maraschino cherries, 2 cups ground ham, 1½ pounds ground fresh pork, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 cup saltine cracker crumbs, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon pepper. Mix sugar, mustard, and vinegar in bottom of greased 2-quart loaf pan. Arrange peach halves rounded side up over this. Put cherry in center of each. Mix together remaining ingredients, blending well. Press in baking dish over peach halves. Bake 2 hours at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn out so decorations are on top. To set ablaze, soak cubes of sugar in rum, lemon, or brandy extract. Drain peach halves and wipe with paper towel. Arrange, rounded side down, on lettuce leaves around the ham loaf. Place a soaked sugar cube in center of each peach. Light cubes at table for dramatic effect.